Hey everyone, what's up? It's Skylar here, and today I'm going to be doing a little review on a product that I heard very highly about. This is not a sponsored video by any means. This is just something that I wanted to try out and see if it actually works. Look better. Yeah. Don't mind all of the garbage behind me. My boyfriend and I just moved into a new apartment because he got a job out in a different state, so we're like kind of in the process of moving everything in and getting everything settled. Yeah, before the pandemic, I was getting waxing done. I would get my eyebrows done and get my lip waxed because, you know, us women sometimes deal with, you know, a little bit of peach fuzz. But I thought that I would kind of look into maybe doing it myself. So I have tried the waxing strips before, but they honestly don't really work that well. So I was kind of looking into maybe using like a cream remover. A lot of the reviews that I read, some people said that it would burn. I basically have like sensitive skin, I would say. So sometimes products do burn my face. So I'm kind of like a little bit hesitant. I want to try it out anyway. So the product that I will be using is Glee. It is the facial hair remover cream, and it looks like this. And basically it comes with 2 removal hair creams, a finishing cream, and a little spatula for the application. This is not sponsored by any means. This is just a product that I read a lot of reviews about and everybody's raving about it, so I decided that I would try it because I do use their razor and their razors are really awesome. Let's just jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so we are in my bathroom currently. Yeah, we're gonna test this bad boy out and see how it works. So inside the packaging, we have the Glee manual. Basically gives you step-by-step instructions. It's only like 3 steps, which I think is actually pretty nice. Let's just drop it all over the floor. So inside you get 2 facial hair removal creams, which is really nice because I'm just dropping everything. Come in these little cute little bottles. And then you also get the finishing cream, which you apply after you remove the cream and all the hair is gone, so it prevents breakouts and whatnot. Okay, so step 1, before you start, it says to make sure that your skin is clean and dry without any cuts, rashes, or scrapes. I did wash my face before this, just around this area. And then step 2 is getting down to business. Spread a thin layer of cream over the area where your hair is no longer welcome. Make sure that the layer is thick enough to completely cover the hair. Okay, so that sounds pretty simple to do. I'm gonna take the facial hair removal and apply that to my face with a little handy spatula that they gave us here. It's just like a little plastic piece. It also did say that you could use like your fingers. Obviously, if your fingers are clean, you'll be all right. So I'm going to just take my spatula here and basically put a little dollop of that on. I mean, obviously, I'm sure that you're probably gonna have to like apply that more than once. So I don't know if you can see, I don't know how the lighting is in here, but I have a little bit of a stash going on. Oh yeah, there you go. You know, you can almost curl it. Cream on it. Why is this only focusing on my face? This is like really irritating. So I have the applicator with the cream on it here, and I'm just going to get up close and personal and show you how I apply this to my face. And honestly, it kind of has like a chemically smell, so just be aware. It recommends that you don't use it like on your eyebrows or any other like places that you have facial hair, probably because those are pretty sensitive areas. You don't want to risk burning those. So I wiped off the bigger part of the applicator, so I'm going to put it on the smaller end. I need like a thick amount. It says to put as much or as little as you need. My stash is out of control. And listen, ladies, there's nothing wrong with a little stash. Mine gets dark, so kind of want to get rid of that. Also, it does say that when you remove it and there's excess hair, to basically kind of just clean it off and then go back in with some more and leave it on for a couple more minutes. Alright, so now that I look like I'm in a Got Milk commercial, we're going to leave this on for the instructions say 2 to 5 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on for 5 minutes. I feel like it would probably work a little bit better if it's on for longer, and then after that 5 minutes is up, it'll be the big reveal and we'll see if it actually removed my hair. Okay, so we are back, and I actually started to take a little bit off just to see at the 5-minute mark, and it really wasn't coming off as well, so I left it on for about 3 more minutes, so 8 minutes in total, and I'm going to remove it now in front of you guys to actually see the result and see if this product actually worked. So here I have my little tissue that I'm gonna wipe the excess off, and then I'm gonna take my little spatula and kind of just like scrape up to see if the hair came off. So just a warning, this may be kind of gross, so if you just don't even want to see it, just, you know, skip right over this process. So I'm just gonna take the sharper, just like the little sharper edge here, and just kind of scrape up. Oh wow. Oh, what? There's no hair there. There's no hair there, guys. Wow. I am absolutely shocked. The hair is coming off. This is, wow, I am totally pleased. I am a little red, so I guess it's good to have this finishing cream. Kind of stings a little bit, so I guess really any place that you put cream remover is gonna burn. So just to forewarn you, little burn, not too bad though. Alright, so I have the cream on my face. The redness went down a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna have to, you know, give this product, I want to say a 10 out of 10 because it definitely removed all my hair and it didn't hurt. Didn't have to go through the process of waxing or threading, so that's amazing. I'll have the price listed right here, and you can get this at your Walmart. That's where I got mine. Yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below and I will be sure to see them and take them into consideration. So I hope you guys like this video and have a great night. Bye!